Hello my students, welcome back to algebra. Factorization of the sum and difference of two cubes. What are cube numbers? Answer. They are the set of counting numbers raised to the power of 3. In other words, 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, and so on. When we calculate these amounts, you will get 1 cubed, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. Answer is 8. 3 cubed, answer 27. 4 cubed, 64. 5 cubed, 125, and so on. This is 6 cubed, 7 cubed, 512 is 8 cubed, 729, and 1000. We continue now. If I ask you to find the cube root of 1, what's the answer? It's 1. What's the cube root of 8? 2. What's the cube root of 27? It's a 3. Let me give you a meaning for what I'm talking about. If we consider this is 1 cube, yes? This cube, each length is 1 unit. The volume is unit. 1 unit also. 1 times 1 times 1. This one. The next one. This cube root consists of 2 layers. Each layer is 4 cubes. Nice colors, yes? How many cubes now? It's 8. The 8 is the volume of a cube. The 2, it's edge length. The cube root of 8 means, what is the edge length of a cube? Its volume is 8. Volume means the number of these cubes. It's 8. The edge length in this case is 2. The next one, the cube root of 27. I have now 3 layers. Of each layer is 3, as you see here. 3 layers, 1, 2, 3. Each layer is 9 cubes. 27, the volume of the cube, the edge length equal 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. If you continue by the same method, you can find the cube root of the rest of numbers. Cube root of 125 is 5, 216 is 6, 343 is 7, 512 is 8, 729 is 9, and finally 1000, it's 10. Okay? So it's better to keep this set of cube root of cube numbers to understand what the steps I'll show you now. Let's go directly to our lesson today. Now each one of you are able or is able to understand the lesson or the idea of the lesson. The form of factorization. X cubed plus y cubed, this is the sum of two cubes. Cube and cube, the sum between them is x plus y, cube root of x cubed plus cube root of y cubed into this number squared, this x squared, inverse of this sign plus becomes a minus, multiply x by y is xy, and make y squared will be y squared. The same, a difference of two cubes, x cubed minus y cubed is x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Simply, each one of you, if you try to multiply x minus y into this bracket, you will get exactly x cubed minus y cubed. So let's apply this formula to factor the expression. Factor each expression. Y cubed plus 27 equal cube root of a cubed a plus 27 is the cube root 3 into square of a, very easy, a squared, opposite of this sign minus 3 times a 3a plus this number squared 9. Thank you. That's it. Very easy. Now try with me solve this question before I do it. You can stop the video and try to factor 8 cubed minus 1. Okay? The answer you will get will be 2x minus 1. Of course, you take a cube root of each number. You know the cube root of negative 1 is also negative 1. Times the square of this one, 4x squared. This minus make the opposite, plus 1 times 2x is 2x. Plus 1 squared is 1. Thank you. Very easy. One more. M cubed plus 125. It's a factorization. M plus 5. Don't forget to use the cube root. Look, the cube root of 125 is 5. Okay? You can check the list I show you now. This list of root of cube numbers. Okay? M plus 5 into. Once you get this small bracket, the big bracket come from this one. Forget the question now. Ignore this one now. So m squared, this plus right minus, m times 5, 5m, plus this number squared, 5 squared, 25. Okay? Super easy. Very easy lesson. Sum and difference of two cubes. Factorization. Continue. 64, its cube root is 4. K cubed k. The same sign minus. 343, its cube root 7. Times. This number square. 16k squared. Opposite of this one. Plus. 7 times 4k. 28k. Plus 7 squared, or even negative 7 squared, is 49. Thank you. Very easy. Sum of two cubes again. 1 is a cube, 512 is a cube, also y cubed is a cube. A cube root of 1 is 1, plus a cube root of this is 8y, into square of this. 1 square is 1. Opposite of this sign, minus. 1 times 8y, 8y, plus power 2 of this one, 64 y squared. Very easy. Oh, come to this question now. 2 is not one of the cube number I show you now. Even 2000. When you have an expression like this, you have to look for a common factor. You can take it outside. 2 and 2000 divisible by 2. Okay? A to the 4 and the a divisible by a. That's it. This is only the highest common factor I ever can take. So now divide. 2a power 4 divided by 2a, you will get a cubed. Plus 2000 divided by 2 is 1000. And ab cubed divided by a is b cubed. After taking 2a highest common factor now, the remaining expression here, this binomial is a sum of two cubes. So you have to continue solving. Write 2a again, and they take a cube root of this expression a, plus a cube root of 1000b cubed is 10b, times, as I told you, square of this, opposite of this sign minus, a times 10b is 10ab, and finally square of 10b is 100b squared. Thank you so much. I hope everyone to get the idea of a factorization of sum and difference of two cubes. Thank you, and see you next video. If you have any comments, write it please for me. I will write my answer. Thank you so much. Goodbye.